Let's get started by saving our file. The first thing that we want to do is find a link on the page that says Download File. Now click on that link. A new window will appear. Click Save. What you're going to do is find your student folder by selecting from the drop-down menu and finding your student number. Now you can name your file. You can change the name of your file or add your name onto the file. And finally, click Save. A new window will appear. To open the file, click Open. Now we're ready to begin. The instructions for the project are actually in the PowerPoint. First, we need to change the design of our PowerPoint. To do that, go to the Design tab up at the top. There are many different design options. For even more design options, you can click on this arrow. I'm going to stick with this design, but I'm going to change the color. That looks good. Look at the instructions. The next step is to take a picture with your webcam and copy and paste your picture here. To do that, you'll need to minimize your PowerPoint. Don't click the X, click the minimize. And if you have any other windows open, minimize those as well. Then go over to My Computer and find your camera. It should have a picture of a camera like this. You should see yourself through your webcam. To take a picture, you simply click here. Your picture automatically appears on the bottom of the screen. What you'll need to do is you'll need to right-click on the picture and go to Copy. Then go back to your PowerPoint right-click on your PowerPoint and paste your picture on the first slide. Now that I've resized my picture, I'm going to follow the next step, which is to insert word art for your name. To do that, go to the Insert tab at the top, click on Word Art, choose the word art style that you like, and then type your name. You can move the word art by clicking on the edge of the word art and dragging it. To change the style of the word art, you can highlight the word art, first highlight it, then go up to Word Art Styles, and you can change it to a different style. You can also change the text fill color. Make sure that you're selecting text fill and not shape fill. When you are finished, you can also change the size of the word art by highlighting it and clicking on the Home tab and going to the font size. First, make sure that you highlighted your word art. Now that we've completed all of the directions from our first slide, we're going to delete this text box. Click on the edge of the text box and press delete. You can also delete this text box, although it will not appear in your final PowerPoint. I'm going to resize my picture. And also move my name. If you want, you can delete the title as well. When you are finished with slide 1, click on the My Hobby slide. Right here. On this slide, you can add clip art or word art to show your hobbies. To do that, go to the Insert tab. Click on Clip Art. Type in your search here. Click on the picture that you want. It will automatically appear on your slide. You can add multiple pictures. You can resize the pictures by pulling on the corner. You can also make your presentation more interesting by inserting word art. Go to Insert and choose the word art style that you like, then typing the box. When you've finished adding clip art, be sure to delete the text box that has the instructions. Click on the edge of the text box and press delete. You'll notice that my title is behind my word art or clip art. To fix that, I right-click on my title and I click on Bring to Front. I'm going to delete this text box as well by clicking on the edge and pressing delete. When you're ready to move on, click on the next slide. There are a total of 5 slides on this presentation. When you finish with all 5 slides, be sure to save. You can click on the save icon here, or you can press Ctrl and S at the same time, or you can click on this tab and click save. Have fun!